Efoanu na yawo. Hallelujah. Efoanu na yawo. Amaka kwenye siya. Efoanu na yawo. Yawo twatwe. Amaka kwenye siya. Efoanu na yawo. Twatwe. Hallelujah. Efoanu na yawo. Efoanu na yawo. Amaka kwenye siya. Efoanu na yawo. Yawo twatwe. Hallelujah. Amaka kwenye siya. Efoanu na yawo. Twatwe. Good morning, people of God. This is hallelujahs from heaven. This morning, I just want to tell you that God is in control of your life. As you go through the day, remember that He speaks to the storms in your life and they calm down. And just like Peter, be ready to walk on the waters of storm as you go through the day. God bless you and God keep you, and meet you again in the afternoon or in the evening. God bless you. Cheers. This is hallelujahs from heaven. God bless. Cheers. Efoanu na yawo. Efoanu na yawo. Amaka kwenye siya. Efoanu na yawo. Twatwe. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Hallelujah.